What is cream of tartar and what is its purpose in recipes?
Hello there, aspiring chefs and curious minds. Today, we are going to explore the culinary world of cream of tartar, a rather mystifying ingredient you might have stumbled upon in various recipes.
What is cream of tartar?
Cream of tartar, also known as potassium bitartrate, is a byproduct of winemaking. It's a white, powdery substance that forms on the inside of wine barrels during fermentation. Contrary to its name, cream of tartar is actually a powder and not a cream.
How is cream of tartar used in recipes?
The main purpose of cream of tartar in recipes is to act as a stabilizing agent. Let's look at how it does that in different applications. Baking and baking. It's often used in combination with baking soda to act as a leavening agent for cakes, cookies, and other baked goods. When these two ingredients react with each other, they produce carbon dioxide gas, which creates air pockets that help your dough rise. Whipping egg whites. Cream of tartar is often used when whipping egg whites to create meringues or other fluffy mixtures. The acidity in the cream of tartar helps to stabilize the egg whites, preventing them from deflating too quickly and helping them hold their shape. Preventing sugar crystals. When making certain types of sweets, like candy or frosting, cream of tartar is used to prevent sugar from crystallizing. This helps maintain a smooth, glossy texture in your sweets.
Can you substitute cream of tartar?
If you find yourself in a pinch without cream of tartar, there are a few substitutes that can be used depending on the recipe. For instance, lemon juice or vinegar can often be used as a replacement in recipes that require cream of tartar for its acidity. And there you have it, the mystery of cream of tartar unraveled. Now, next time you come across this ingredient in a recipe, you'll know exactly what it's for and how it enhances your cooking and baking. Happy cooking, everyone!